this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our evening time update. Good morning from Vietnam to all my friends, brothers and sisters in America. Hopefully you guys are going to start a huge day, have a great day, and hopefully you guys can take cryptos up higher and higher to the green day. That's what we need. We need you guys to take it up higher. So we're going to have a huge video today. We got a whole bunch of huge stuff is happening. We got lots of catalysts. We got a lot of good news. We're going to talk about, there's a huge bullish signal forming not only for Dogecoin, but also for Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to see some huge price action coming in and some huge upside price targets. We're going to talk about that. Remember, none of this in this video is financial advice. This is just for educational purposes only. And remember, do your own risk management, guys and gals. It's up to you. It's your money. Remember, you guys need to do your own risk management, do your own research, and find a strategy that works for you. So everything you hear is just me offering my opinion. So with that being said, let's jump into it. And don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every single second that a new video is coming out. And why don't you become members? We got super members. We have our own private WhatsApp group. You should get in on it. It's really cool. It's really fun. And we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price. We're going to be talking about Ethereum price. We're going to be doing some TA. We're also going to be talking about a huge bullish indicator that's flashed not only on the Dogecoin 1 day, but also the Dogecoin 4 hour, and also on the BTC and Ethereum chart. We're going to talk about Google Play. They've just banned some nefarious applications off their network, which is good. They're trying to do everything they can to protect you and me. So that's huge news. Also, we're going to talk about some other stuff. We got a huge Fed meeting. The SEC and all the financial departments in the U.S. are having a huge meeting this week. So that could either do two things. That could put the kibosh on the Bitcoin upward trend that we're seeing now. And we could see that this week, we could see the markets actually go down depending on how this meeting turns out. So with that being said, let's look into it. We're going to talk about TA. We're going to talk about the markets. We're going to talk about some news. And then, this is the Ric Flair of crypto. Let's jump into it. Let's jump into it right now. Let's look at Bitcoin in the house. So you can see right now, Bitcoin is trading at $50,582. And this morning in Asia, I drew this very bullish pattern. Here we have what we call a bull flag pattern. You can see the pole of the flag, and then the flag extending this way. And then this here, this little yellow thing here, is basically take the top of the flag, the bottom of the flag, measure, and this is our breakout point. So we're breaking out exactly as I predicted. And right now, Bitcoin is at 50,582. And today we've we hit a high, as you can see here, a high of 50,784, and we went as low as 49,369. So we need this momentum to keep going. If we can stay past $50,000 for 24 hours, and that's a confirmation of a breakout, I'd really like to see $52,000 confirmed on a one-day breakout to make me feel really comfortable and make me feel like this is going to be a long-lasting breakout. So we're breaking out to the upside, so that's really good news. So you guys should be excited. I'm so happy. I'm so pumped. Let's take a quick look at the Wyckoff. We haven't looked at the Wyckoff pattern for a while. Let me give this a quick minty refresh because I like to bring everything to you so it's minty fresh. So this is not Photoshop. This is the real deal in the house. So let's take a look where we are with the Wyckoff pattern. So you can see here that we're getting a pretty big sideways deviation here on the Wyckoff pattern, but I wouldn't worry too much about it. I still think that we're following it, not exactly, but we're looking pretty close, so don't worry about it, guys. So here, if you look at the rainbow chart, we can still see that we're in the hodl phase, but we're getting closer to the FOMO intensifying, and this is really good because once FOMO intensifies, the current price right now is, $50,000. And let me give this a quick minty refresh for you. Just make sure we're getting the right data. Make sure all the data is updated for you guys and gals in the house. Come on, internet. The internet's super slow right now. So I do apologize. So right now, FOMO is intensifying. And as we get up into the FOMO intensifying zone, it means that all the diamond handlers, everyone that's, been holding since we had the Ben and Twee crash, the mid-May crash, You guys have been holding since then. You guys are going to get rewarded, so that's really good. We're also seeing right now the fear and greed is absolutely, we are at extreme greed, so it means the sentiment is really positive and everything is going. And remember, you guys always have to do one thing. Swim with the whales, don't go against the whales. And the whales are still accumulating Bitcoin right now. They're still accumulating, and this is a really good sign because as plan B in the stock to flow model, we're really talking about $135,000 Bitcoin coming in December, worst case scenario. And if we do a 3.2, 3.4x on my Dogecoin, that looks like we could be coming in at 94 cents to $1.15. So that's pretty bullish news, guys. You know it. I know it. Let's get it, guys. And if we look at Ethereum right now, Ethereum is doing exactly the same thing. We had this flagpole right here, and it's really bullish. And this is a bull flag, and we're breaking out to the upside. And right now we're seeing that Ethereum is at $3,371. So that's pretty good. That's pretty bullish. And then our next overhead resistance right here is at 3,400. So I think we can get there if Bitcoin keeps its momentum. So you see that we had the pole, we had the flag. This is really a bullish. This is called a bull flag. And I think we could maybe even wake up tomorrow in Asia and see $3,400 incoming. Thank you for the people in North America for making that happen. And if you look at the Ethereum burn, the burn is doing okay. We're at $78,149. So the burn is happening. Let's take a look at ADA. Now, we need to talk about ADA because ADA is absolutely in price discovery mode. Today it hit an all-time high of $2.93. Absolutely $3 is incoming. I think we could be seeing $3 incoming by tomorrow if this keeps going. But keep in mind right now that, if you look at the RSI and other indicators, ADA is oversold right now. So worst case scenario, we could see a 40% drop. And we're going to jump into some news about that. And if that happens, we could see a ADA. Did I say Ethereum? I mean ADA dropping down to $1.73. So we don't want to do that. Let's hopefully we can keep this momentum. As you know, September 12th, 13th, depending if you're in America, Asia, is the big D-Day, the ADA day where the smart contracts come on. So if that happens on time, we could see a huge pump it up ADA. So let's take a look at Solana. Solana is kind of doing the same thing. We got this pole. We got a bit of consolidation. This looks like, if this continues, we could create this whole bull flag. And we got some, right now Solana's trading at $72.84. And that's pretty good news overall. So let's see what happens. I think, there's some consolidations of profit taking. But overall, ADA has been on fire as well. You've seen that the volumes right here are coming right down. So hopefully the volumes will come back into it soon. So let's take a look at the Doge. So right now, as I said earlier, we have this bull flag that's forming, or you can call it a descending triangle, depends on how you want to look at it. And right now, if we want to determine the next level of breakout, we measure from the top here to the bottom here. That will give us a indicator here, and we can take that and we can take it up over here. So depending on the point of breakout, we could have the point of breakout maybe right here. That would take us up to 39 cents. So depending where the breakout is on this descending triangle, so if we break out, let's say on the 26th, and we put that here, that would take us up to 38 cents. If we break out, let's say on the 30th, that could take us up to 38 cents. So I'm still pretty confident that, we're going to continue on this pattern, and maybe we could get a breakout and go past 35 cents today, because right now we're seeing that the Doge is at 32 cents. So we could see a breakout coming soon. So just keep an eye. If we can break past my purple rain line. So we need to break past this purple rain line right here. So we've got a huge support right here at 29 cents, at 30, it's 30 cents actually. Technically, it's a support of 30 cents. So I'm pretty bullish that, we're just going to be, breaking out anytime soon from this triangle. Worst case scenario, if we break out right here at the bottom, we're still going to see by September 3rd, we could see ourselves at a high of 36 cents. So let's see how that forms. I'm still pretty bullish. You should be bullish. You should be psyched. And then if you look at the Doge on the 4-hour chart, we're seeing a very similar pattern. We had this descending triangle here. We broke out of it, and looking pretty bullish here too. So, and we have some overhead resistance here at about 33 cents. So let's see if we can break past the 33 cent on the 4-hour chart pretty soon. I think we can do that really, really soon, maybe even today, because America's looking pretty positive. So let's jump into the newsy news, and then we get into the markets. So you guys know that institutions appear to still be bullish on crypto despite Bitcoin outflows. So you're seeing here right now, from Wall Street, hedge funds to major banks, large-scale investors are hopping aboard the crypto train. Let's go. The crypto train. And Bitcoin Bitcoin fell from its all-time highs of 65,000. And but we're starting to come on back. We're almost we're at 50,500. We're definitely going to be seeing 51,000, 52,000 coming in soon. And according to the Chief Business Development Officer at the decentralized platform 1inch Network, there is no doubt that institutional investors have a long bullish approach to crypto and Bitcoin specifically. So we're looking at a lot of long-term holders. The number of institutional investors that have been exposed to crypto has risen dramatically. And like I said, during this bull run, we have not seen this many institutions buy into crypto, and this is really huge, and this has never been seen before in any of the bull runs. We had tons of bull runs. We've had euphoric all-time highs, prices breaking out. We've had everything under the sun, but this is the first time that we've had so many institutions. And not only that, we even have countries now like El Salvador that have adopted Bitcoin. So this just tell you, this bull cycle that we're seeing now is more bullish, more frothy, more foamy than ever before. It's something that's going to go down in history as being the most bullish double top bull cycle that's going to continue, and it's continuing. In December, we're going to hit all-time highs. And other news, 50K Bitcoin prices versus the Fed. As you guys know, that, among the strong weekend, Bitcoin finally crossed 50,000, and that's great news. We're even seeing it's going to go to 51, 52,000 this week. But keep in mind that at the end of the week, we have, the whole virtual Fed summit nears. So, Marco Q's will be likely an all come from the U.S. Fed this week. So we got to be careful because, there's going to be a lot of macro cues. They're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. They're going to be talking about different economic policy. And the annual Jackson Hole gathering of top financial figures, now set to be virtual, is rumored to focus extensively on economic policies, changes stemming from the coronavirus, and definitely cryptocurrency is going to be on that agenda. Let's hope that nothing negative, that we don't get some negative FUD or some negative news cycle that's coming out of that meeting. So keep your eyes on the news to see if anything's coming out of that meeting. So, if anything's going to damper this Bitcoin and the Dogecoin breaking out from these technical patterns, the only thing that's going to cause that will be this Jackson Hole meeting, and if something negative comes out, guys. So some other news that's happening right now: Google bans 8 deceptive crypto apps from Play Store. So that's really good. Google's looking out for us. Google's making sure that everything's hunky-dory on the Play Store. So that's really good. This is a list of the applications that were banned. So if you're holding these applications or running these applications on your phone, get rid of them right now, because it's a rug pull. It's vaporware. It's bad. All right, guys. So also, as I talked about, Cardano price is absolutely getting close to $3 right now. But we need to be very careful because there are some technical data, technical analysis that points that, it could be oversold right now. So, but Cardano's technical indicators predict a short-term shock, something that might have the ADA corrected go down as low as $1.73. I don't think it's going to happen. I think it's more like 70%. It's not going to happen. 30% it could happen. So just watch out for that. We could have a minor technical correction going down here. But I really don't see it happening. You don't see it happening. So guys, don't worry about it too much, but just keep your eyes on it. Also, some other good news: the Berman wins SEC approval to invest 5% commodities fund in Bitcoin futures. So as you guys know, this is a big investment firm, and it has 164 million commodity strategy fund, and they've been given the green light to take 5% of that and invest in Bitcoin futures. So that's really bullish. So with that being said, let's just take a look at the Doge on chain right now. So Doge right now is at 32 cents, and it's up 255, and we got 76% of all Dogecoin holders in profit. So that's really great news. Pop up, get out of there. And we got 17% out of money, but this is all this can change on a dime. We're going to see definitely 35 cents coming in for the Doge really soon. I feel it. You know it's going to happen. You know, if we get this breakout even faster, if we get this breakout even sooner, we could see ourselves going up to, you know, like 39 cents really soon. I would love to see 39 cents coming in, 40 cents coming in before September, because I called 40 cents at the beginning of the month. We came pretty close when we went up to 36 cents, but we got rejected. We got rejected here, right? Here, we got rejected here. And so hopefully, you know, all of that rejection is going to turn into a positive. But you can see that we're getting much higher lows. A higher low here. You know, we had a higher low here, here, here. So the lows are getting higher. So this is indicative of soon we're going to see something like this happening. And we're going up to the moon. Dogecoin is going to the moon, guys. I know it, you know it. So let's jump into the markets right now. So we can see that the crypto market cap right now is 2.18 trillion. And the volumes are 72.95 billion. And the Bitcoin dominance has come down a little bit from this morning in Asia, and it's at 43.22%. So we really need to see Bitcoin dominance come down much lower. I mean, I would be really comfortable with 35%. And then you're going to see the altcoins really take off. It's foamy. It's frothy. We're definitely going to be the full-blown altcoin season coming. Right now, we're in altcoin month. You guys know that we're in altcoin month right now. Let me give this a minty refresh. Minty refresh in the house. So you guys can see that right now we're in full-blown altcoin month right now. And we're moving closer and closer to the altcoin season. And also the altcoin index for the year is getting much higher. So you can see that we went up to 50, we went down, and now we're going back up again. So definitely we're in altcoin month. That's confirmed right there, altcoin month. You guys should be pretty bullish and psyched about that. So let's take a look at the cryptocurrency markets right now. Let me give this a minty refresh. Then we're going to jump into the portfolio, the OG portfolio. So right now we're seeing that, remember, this is an aggregate of all the exchanges. And right now we're at $50,000, and that's we're up 2.37%. And Ethereum in the house is up 3.20%, and that's $3,340. Woo! And we're seeing ADA right now, $2.88, still up a huge 11.15%, and we're up 138% for the month. Wow, that's mind-blowing. And BNB is getting close to breaking $500 right now, so that's really great news, and that's up 10.52%. Way to go, BNB. And my Doge in the house is still in positive territory. We're seeing a lot of green candles printed day after day. We're up 64% from in the last 30 days. So still pretty positive. We still have that all-time high of 73 cents we have to get back. So we're going to get there. We're only 56% away from that. We're going to climb back, guys. As I told you, I'm predicting that when we hit the top of this bull run in December, we could see 94 cents coming. Remember, none of this is financial advice, and the OG in the house just expressing his opinions. So without further delay, let's take a look at the crypto daily trade signals portfolio in the house right now. And right now, remember, this portfolio is for educational purposes. And remember, do your own risk management. If you decide to copy any part hereof of this portfolio, you do so solely at your own risk. So with that being said, let's take a look at the portfolio. And right now the portfolio is up 56%, a whopping 56%, and that's amazing. And the total profit and loss value is $2,834. So not too shabby, guys. And that gives a total balance of $7,833 in our portfolio. Remember, we started this portfolio July 2nd, so this is really bullish. It's really a great time to be alive. And please go ahead and follow me on Twitter. We got 1,801 followers. Woo! Let's see if we can get that up to let's see if we can get that up to 2,000 followers. I really appreciate it. Please show some love and get the OG up there, guys. I really love it. And don't forget to smash the likes and subscribe as always. And don't forget to check out my Linky Winks. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just for educational purposes only. Check out Zen Music Addict. Go to check it out. Check it. And if you want to relax, find your soul. And if you have trouble sleeping, you can definitely go here and watch hours of relaxing music. Support the channel. Become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee. Remember, all of this goes to charity. And check out my merch, guys. Go to the merch. We got a whole bunch of stuff. We got hats. We got hoodies. We got t-shirts. We got ladies hoodies. We got ladies pajamas. We got great stuff. We also got other stuff. We've got hats. We got the mug. Who wouldn't want the mug? We even got water bottles, pillows, and we got the phone case. And get the mug. Coffee absolutely tastes better in the mug, guys. So with that being said, I just want to say one thing. Remember, this is the OG from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, the Ric Flair of crypto. I'm working for you. I'm doing this for you. God bless each and every one. I need you all to be positive. Spread the good vibe. Spread a little love. Hug your wife. Hug your kids. Tell them you love them. Be neighborly. Spread the good vibe and spread the love around the world. This is what this is all about. And remember, I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Woo!